Hi guys, and welcome back to the TheMindCatcher's channel. I am here with Gabby.
Hi guys.
And this is Mommy speaking to you guys. And this is pretty much a review. We're going to be reviewing, I believe this is pronounced Mielle or Mielle. You guys let me know in the comment section. But anyway, it's the BABASSU and Mint Deep Conditioner. So this is going to be a first, okay? Gabby and Nadia were in a wedding in the month of April. You might have seen the pictures on Instagram. I'll put a few pictures here in the video. And I had to unfortunately use some gel and some spritz, things that I normally don't use on their hair, to try to hold the style. So I know their hair needs a conditioner bad. Okay, we use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo from Shea Moisture. You guys seen this before. I really like it because you can actually feel the oil in it. To me, you can. Okay, I did prep their hair for wash day, so their hair was already sectioned in quarters. So I knew, you know, I was going to do wash day. I just didn't know when. And every time I oiled their hair and everything, I just put it back in those 4 little plaits and, you know, kept it nice and separated. And that's why I'm able to at least comb through with some sort of ease right now. So right now her hair is damp. I do have my spray water bottle because her hair does dry out pretty fast. And I like to apply deep conditioner on somewhat damp hair. So I'm going to open this up. Has a protecting seal on there. It smells like mint, definitely. You want to smell it? Mm-hmm. Definitely smells like mint. Oh, and it's a very loose consistency. It's not as creamy as I thought. It's kind of loose, kind of thin. Alright, so I'm starting with her ends. I want to make sure those ends are nice and coated. And they say that you're supposed to leave this on for 15 minutes and then rinse out. So I'm going to put this on her hair. I'm also going to put her underneath the dryer for about 10 of those 15 minutes. Guys, so I've applied the conditioner. I will say I'm going to take one little piece of loose. This is how I condition. I keep it in 4s. If you don't want it all mixed up and you have to keep detangling, work in 4s. Or if your child has even thicker hair than this, break it up into 3 and 3. Okay, so this is what I did, and I could see her natural curl pattern popping. It does have a very vibrant scent. That mint is like all through the room. It is very loud. But we're going to see what it does after the dryer. It does have some slip as well. And what I mean by slip is I can comb through it pretty well. So I'm liking that. So hopefully that's an indication that after I finish with the deep condition and rinse, I should be able to comb straight through. So I'm going to definitely let you guys know. Right now we're going to put her underneath the dryer for 15 minutes. And then I'm going to show you what it looks like after the dryer. Also, I do have my receipt right here. I just wanted you guys to know that in CVS, it is 8 ounces and it says $13.79. I did have a coupon and I paid a little bit less, so it's kind of pricey, but hopefully it works. If it works, I definitely will use it more often. I'll just have to save my quarters, nickels, and dimes, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so dryer time. Guys, so we have done our 15 minutes. I think I went a little bit over 15. And I just want you guys to see what the texture and everything looks like. It feels super soft. Super soft. It melted on there pretty good. You know, kids don't sit still too long, so I'm grateful for that much. So I'm going to take her into the kitchen. We're going to rinse this out. And then we're going to come back and blow dry. Guys, so we are back. Her hair has been rinsed. Her hair is very, very soft. Gabby, what did you tell me about the feeling of that conditioner?
I told you that my hair felt cool, like minty, and it also smelled really good too.
Okay, so she says it felt very, very minty. So you're gonna get that minty peppermint patty sensation on your head. Okay. But other than that, I think it did a pretty good job with deep conditioning. The hair, like I said, feels very soft. I'm still going to add a leave-in conditioner. I've been fooling around with this. This was gifted to me by the company Mazzani. 25 Miracle Milk. It says 25 benefit leave-in. It says for all hair types. It's nourishing blend of fennel seed oil and coconut oil. I have been using this in their hair since April when I received it, just to put something in there because I wasn't washing it, and it straightened out the hair pretty good. It has lots of slip, so that's what I'm going to use right now. I'm not going to say, I haven't done my research, guys, so I'm not going to say this is 100% natural. I'm not going to say that. But I will tell you guys, this is one of the best detanglers I have ever used. I'm telling you, it works like magic. So we're gonna spray that in. Alright guys, so you saw me comb through the Mazzani leave-in conditioner. Now I'm going to put a little bit of, what is this, the heat protectant. What is that, IC Fantasia. I'm going to leave a link for all of the stuff I use down below in the description box, so please check it out. Also, I have playlists showing all types of different videos, so you guys check out the playlist. And when I blow dry, I just use the tension method. A lot of people asked in one of the videos why I don't comb as I blow out, because it hurts. Because it hurts. That's basically why. I will blow dry first, and I will try my best to, you know, detangle and then blow dry again. That's normally what I do. But if I blow dry as I comb, it hurts. I've tried it before. Maybe I have to wait until they get a little bit older. Alright guys, I wanted to get up close so you guys can see a texture shot. You can see the amount of shrinkage Gabby has. Her hair stops right there. But when I blow dry, that's how much hair. So a tremendous amount of shrinkage. And the girls have two different textures, definitely. Alright, so we are back with Gabby, who is really feeling herself. How does your hair feel?
Soft and fluffy.
Soft and fluffy. Turn around. I did clip her ends just a bit, just a tiny bit. I did clip the ends so it's easier to comb through. I still have some more ends to cut. I think I'm going to take her somewhere and have them professionally trim her ends. And I know they're going to cut off quite a bit, but it'll be worth it. It really will be worth it in the end, because I'm thinking all of this in the lower part of her neck and the nape of the neck, it's much longer than everywhere else, and I'm wondering would they just even all of that out. So this is what we got. But I really like the conditioner. Her hair still smells like it, so it does carry the scent. So if you don't like that minty scent, maybe you may not want to keep it in as long as she did. It was about 20 minutes she kept it in, and when I smelled her hair, you can smell the mint. So it's definitely in there. Even with the blow drying, even with adding the Mazzani leave-in, you can still smell that mint. So guys, that is the product. Really like it. It has my approval. It does soften the hair a great deal. So if you want that, I mean, it feels very conditioned. If that's what you were looking for, then this is a great product. Okay, guys?
Cyber kisses. See you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.